Hey guys, I'm here to do an unboxing of a pair of Sony MDR-7506 professional sound monitor headphones. Now there's two types of headphones that are out there. There's commercial ones that are used for everyday use. Then there are monitoring headphones that are required for sound editing and music production. The reason why I picked this model is because they're reasonably priced at under $200 and typically Sony makes good quality products. So we'll see how these turn out. Alright, let's take a quick look at the box before we open it. Full reproduction of digital music. Comes with a 1/8 connection and a 1/4 adapter. And utilizing diaphragms constructed of high molecule film and copper clad aluminum voice coil, these headphones deliver high quality sound along a wide frequency range. Well, that's good to know. Alright. Oh, I like how this is easy to open packaging. Whoa, they got a service manual here. I guess if you wanna repair your own headphones or hack your headphones, it's pretty neat. Never really see schematics come with their products. And limited warranty, just typical of any product. Oh, this comes with a, I don't know what this thing is. Looks like it could be used as a hat. Just part of the packaging. Anyway. Or this is the pouch that it comes with. It's kind of small and low quality. Wouldn't really say it's good or anything. Okay, and the wire's pretty long. That's good. They don't look like they're made of like really great build quality. Like, I'm sure they could have used better components, but for the price range, I'm not surprised. But overall, they feel like they're not the cheapest materials used either. And they feel pretty comfortable over my years. And I can barely hear anything like outside of them right now. The noise canceling is really good, and that's what you need for a pair of monitoring headphones. So yeah, that's just the unboxing, guys. I'm gonna have to actually use these and edit some videos with them before I give you guys a full review, and I'll give you in depth on the product afterwards. But in the meantime, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.